So body position for sport bikes, because of the aggressive forward position, you really have to use your legs a whole lot more. Really grip that tank so your arms can be nice and relaxed and loose. You're gonna try to keep that as much as possible, and it's difficult to do. You have to constantly remind yourself to grip the tank in order to keep your arms loose. It's very easy to be lazy and just kind of let the weight go to your hands, and then your wrists go numb, and then your back starts to hurt. It's the position you have, it's the bike that you have, right? So bikes are made for performance or comfort. Not many are both. This is like 95% performance and not really care about the comfort aspect. You bought the bike, so this is what you have to deal with. So because of that forward position, really get your legs up against the tank and try to keep your arms as loose as possible. Because you have such high ground clearance, you're not on a cruiser bike, you don't have to do much body position for the street. Even the twisties, it's not really necessary. But one thing for sure, say you're going to the left, just get your chin and your chest pointed in the direction you're going. If you're going left, your left arm is bent. A good thing for sport bikes, have your outside arm kind of draped across the gas tank. That's like a good way to tell if you have good body position. If you're up like this, it just means you're tense, right? So outside arm up against the gas tank, inside arm bent, everything pointed in the direction you want to go. Same thing going to the right, right? But again, if you can find yourself very easily just letting your weight, just being lazy with your legs and letting your weight go forward to your hands, and that's where it creates all the problems. So use more of your legs, keep your upper body loose.